Hello, hi friends. I'm preparing today coconut butter cake. Start. Castor sugar is 30 gram. Plain flour is 100 gram. Butter is 100 gram. Shredded coconut is 30 grams. Take fresh milk. I'm taking this almond milk 20 ml. Baking soda is half spoon. Vanilla essence is half spoon. Baking soda is half spoon. So let's start. Take a bowl. Do eggs first. Beat the eggs. Add half spoon vanilla extract. Keep it aside. Take another bowl. Take unsalted butter and castor sugar. Mix well. This is room temperature butter. Sit until you get soft like this. Then add egg batter. Slowly add. Add. I transfer into other bowl. After smooth texture, add flour, baking powder, half spoon. Baking soda is half spoon.
We'll add flour. Add slowly. Add it slowly.
Now we'll add milk, 20 ml of milk. I'm using almond milk. Slowly add it. See, nice it is. Now we'll add coconut, shredded coconut. Then mix nicely. Preheat the oven. Grease the pan. Use butter paper. Again grease the pan with butter or oil. That's it. Transfer into the pan. Add shredded coconut on the top. Now you can keep it in oven. Set the time. Ready to eat now. How nicely cooked. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.